Guten Morgen. Mercedes-Benz auction graded 4 interior B. So the first impression, I'm not sure, but I think somebody love this style. But nice wheels, look aggressive. So let me check how about paint coat. Here we have a lot of little scratch. Original paint coat. Really, I didn't find any, traces of the damage, serious damage. Not so bad. Of course, we have a lot resprayed parts, but not so bad. Look good. So, let me see how about interior, and we have white interior, scratch here and little damage here. We have LED. This is not original LED, of course. We have little dirty driver's seat, but no serious damage. I think interior needs cleaning. Alcantara here, but same is dirty. The passenger seat look nice. Shingenori. We have a lot of modification. We haven't original navigation system. Dashboard look good. We have clock. And look at this. We have damage here. Nice steering wheel. I can see yeah, just a little, but we have problem with this screen, little screens, airbag problem. Okay. Look good, nice. Trunk suspension doesn't work. Here is everything look clean, nice. Here is everything look good. Here is traces of the remove this fender only here. Here look like original, and here is everything look fine. Engine sounds good. Engine is clean and sounds good. So I think not bad.